Alright, this is a new project. This is an 04 Toyota Tacoma. And it's my buddy's. And what we're going to do is put new front bumper on with a winch. And a custom rear bumper and skid plates on the gas tank and the front. And there's another skid, I think it's a transmission skid plate, or the transfer case. So my buddy bought them and got them powder coated. There's the gas tank skid plate. There's one of the other main skid plates, and this is the front skid plate here. I got wax on it, that'll come right off. And then what we're gonna do is install these bad boys here. So we've got a synthetic cable worn winch. This is the 10,000 pound VR10S. I'll put the link in the description below. And then we've got some sick off-road lights. We've got the Baja Designs ambers. Those go in the bumper holes, which I'll show you in a second. And they replace the side ambers, I believe. And what else do we got here? We've got the Baja Designs fronts. The mains. These things are insane. And I forget what's in there. Oh yeah. These headlight replacements for the front there. So, and then we got some other goodies too. We've got Factor 55 winch shackle mount. Those are handy. Yeah, replacement side pieces there. So we're basically, so these have the black trim right here around the outside. So we're basically dechroming this, right? All that chrome's going to come off. In that box over there, I have the replacement chrome stripping for that. So yeah, that's what he wants to do. So I'm going to start by popping the hood and pulling off the grill and the side lights, and we'll replace those because they're quick and easy. I can't remember if he gave me, oh, the new one has a blacked out emblem, I think. And then we'll drop this bumper and see how this guy goes on. It's heavy as heck, so I was gonna like pre-assemble it, and yeah, it's gonna be way easier just to get it on first and then go from there. So let's start with the easy stuff first, the grill.